awesome!
Let me see how strong you are. Whoa! Thank you for helping cut the grass today.
Woohoo! Powering up with super gloves. We're having adventures. It's super fun! Super crew!
Hooray!
We're gonna have fun playing with the mower, the weed eater, and the blower. Let's do this!
Yay!
Oh no! What happened, Super Kid? It broke! Oh no, look!
Uh-oh.
It's broken!
Uh-oh.
It doesn't work anymore! What do we do? Look! It's on fire! Oh no! Super Kid, put it out!
I've got it!
Hurry, Super Kid! Hurry! It's on fire! Put it out! Ah, good job! Woohoo! Whoa! Look, Supers! We got a brand new mower!
Hooray!
Super Kid, are you gonna help me build this?
Yeah.
All right! Supers, watch this. We're gonna build this mower and we're gonna start mowing! Let's do this! Wow!
It's a brand new mower.
Super Kid's gonna help me build the mower. Watch this! You ready? Let's do it! All right! Super Kid's doing an excellent job. Where's your hammer? All right. Let's build it, Super Kid. Good job. High five on teamwork. Have a high five? Woo! We love teamwork.
Hooray!
Whoa!
No gas.
We built the mower.
No gas.
There's no gas in the mower. Okay, Super Kid.
There's gas over there.
Let's go get the gas tanks and fill up the mower.
He's filling up the gas tank. Whoa, look at that. Let me see yours. Good job.
Yay!
Alrighty. Are you guys ready to start your engines?
Yeah.
Start it up, Super Kid. Whoa! Okay, step back a little bit. I'm gonna start the big one.
Awesome.
Do you hear that, Supers? That's the Lawn Mower Song.
Hooray!
The grass is tall. What do we do? Get your mowers and gas tanks too. Don't forget the weed eater. Grab the blower and start your mowers. We love mowing, yes we do. Cutting some grass and bagging it too. Mowers, weed eaters, blowers, let's cut some grass. The grass is tall, what do we do? Get your mowers and gas tanks too. Don't forget the weed eater. Grab the blower and start your mower. We love mowing, yes we do. Cutting some grass and bagging it too. Mowers, weed eaters, blowers, let's cut some grass. We love mowing, yes we do. Cutting some grass and bagging it too. Mowers, weed eaters, blowers, let's
Hip hooray!
Hey, Supers, we're gonna learn about the mower. Super Kid, what's this?
A gas tank will open up and...
That's the gas tank? Oh, careful. Look, there's the gas.
Yeah.
That's what powers the mower.
Awesome.
Pull the oil up, Super Kid. Let's look at it.
Look.
Be extra careful. Wow. This is where all the grass goes, right, Super Kid?
I'll show you a blade.
Okay, we're gonna look at the blade. That's what cuts the grass. We have to be careful.
It's pretty dirty under there.
It's dirty. Oh.
We need to wash that next time.
Okay, and then what's this?
It's like a pool.
Is that the starter?
Yeah.
That's how we start the mower.
Wow, great job!
Yay!
Can you help me find the red mower? I see it. Do you see a green mower? Super Kid has it. Hey, Supers, can we count to 10 before they finish mowing the lawn in super speed?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hip hooray! See it? See gas?
Where's the gas?
It's right here.
That's right. You're so smart.
And this is called a starter thing.
Yeah, it is a starter. Great job.
Wow.
This starts up
And what's this right here? Is that the trigger to start the motor? Whoa, it's moving. What's this called? This is a weed eater. Hey, Supers, we're gonna weed eat. And look at Super Kid. He has his safety goggles on.
Let me see your goggles.
Make sure you have safety first. All right, let's go ahead and weed eat.
Weed eating is so much fun to watch, but make sure you have an adult with you at all times and keep a safe distance. Look at Super Kid learn how to edge the grass. Weed eating helps cut the grass along the edges. This is where the mower can't reach. Silly Super Kid. He's using 2 weed eaters. Look at him go. Whoa! What's that?
There's a blade in here, though.
Oh, wow, what is this?
A blade in here.
There's a blade in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that the fan?
Yeah.
What is this called?
Blower.
The blower.
It's off here.
Whoa, is that the starter?
Yeah.
And what's this? That's the gas tank. You want to start the blower?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hooray!
Blowers use high-powered air to push all the leaves and grass off the driveway.
Awesome!
Look at the dust they're blowing away.
Woohoo!
They are spinning around like a blower tornado.
Whoa!
It's a blower battle. Look, Super Kid is winning with his super blower.
Hooray!
All right, Super Kid, start those engines. Awesome!
Start those engines, Supers. Let's mow and listen to the Lawn Mower Song.
The grass is tall. What do we do? Get your mowers and gas tanks too. Don't forget the weed eater. Grab the blower and start your mowers. We love mowing, yes we do. Cutting some grass and bagging it too.
Thanks for joining our mowing adventure. Before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, stay super.
Powering up with super gloves. We're having adventures. It's super fun. Super crew.